Hi everybody, Fix It with Wendy here. Something that drives me crazy about these Polaris latches is that they're rubber and they fall apart. Okay, and this pin comes out, this breaks, you know, it's just cheap. And for Polaris to do that to us, that's not too good. But anyway, instead of spending 20 bucks per latch, I think that's what I looked up how much it cost, I decided to go to the local hardware store and put this little flip latch on. Yeah, finally both of my cheap ass latches gave out, and so voila, I did that to both sides. Very easy job. You just take one off, put the other on, and a few screws. They work really well. You know, they just fit right into the, they don't even come through. They just fit right into the holes up basically almost where the other ones were. If I did need to drill anything, it was very easy. So you just line them up and I most of the time leave them open anyway, you know, because I ride around doing odd jobs. Anyway, so that was a little quick fix. And you see I have other things to do. Big old rip seat. I do have another replacement for that. Just haven't gotten around to it. Anyway, that's all from Fix It with Wendy. Talk to you soon.